Beyonce and Blue Ivy shut it down during the Hollywood premiere of The Lion King in fierce matching ensembles. Queen Bee had a mother-daughter date night at Dolby Theater at the premiere of her new film.
Simba, you have to take your place as king. We need you.
The actress who voices Nala in the Disney live-action film wowed in a crystal chandelier-embroidered Alexander McQueen tuxedo dress with a see-through crystal-embellished skirt. She also rocked crystal jewelry, pin heel sandals, and carried a bedazzled box clutch with a jeweled handle, topping off the glam with long braids and a sultry smoky eye. Bee's 7-year-old mini-me matched her mama in a black dress with silver crystal embellishment. During the red carpet, E.T. caught up with Bee's bestie and former Destiny's Child member, Michelle Williams, who praised her for being a part of this iconic story.
We all lost our minds when we heard Beyonce's voice as Nala. When you first heard that, what was your reaction?
Just excitement and how now is the time, different voices, different experiences, and what she's going to bring to it. And because of her two little girls, what she's passing on for her family, I think is really awesome.
You must take your place in the circle of life.
Beyonce also dropped an epic anthem, Spirit, on Tuesday night as part of the movie's soundtrack. But the musical numbers don't stop there, as The Lion King: The Gift, an album produced and curated by Queen Bee, featuring global artists, releases with the film on July 19th.
Can you feel the love tonight? In perfect harmony with all